Have you ever given much thought to light? It is so ordinary. It is on and off. Light is the first thing you see, and hopefully the last. But when you think about it, we are surrounded by light throughout our lives. Light drives the bad things away. Sometimes the best light is colorful and electric, and a few years later, the best light may be natural and without electricity. Sometimes light indicates a rush. It can be used to shape, to fix, and to sell. Actually, without light, selling is really impossible. For some, light means the same as force, whereas some seek energy in light. At times, even a small amount of light is enough. Often, efficiency requires a lot of light, enabling growth. On one side of the globe, we look up and are impressed by the power of light. We do exactly the same thing on the other side too. Every one of us is an expert in light. It's wonderful to work with experts. We are Volta Volo, helping you to see things in a better light.